नमस्कार, बिहार मिथिला न्यूज़ में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं तलत परवीन। दरभंगा अगर विकसित कर रहा है तो सबसे ज़्यादा शिक्षा और चिकित्सा के क्षेत्र में, जहां पर अब कॉर्पोरेट हॉस्पिटल और स्कूल का भी आगमन हो चुका है। इस परिस्थिति में दरभंगा में जब वुडबाइन स्कूल की स्थापना की गई, उस समय अभिभावकों और छात्रों में एक चर्चा का विषय था। वुडबाइन स्कूल के संचालक ने अपने छात्रों के बीच प्रतिस्पर्धा और आधुनिक लेबोरेटरी, कंप्यूटराइज सिस्टम, लाइब्रेरी, सीसीटीवी और स्मार्ट क्लासेस के बल पर छात्रों के मनोबल को ही नहीं बढ़ाया, बल्कि कोरोना संक्रमण के दौरान ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में बेहतर और गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा देकर स्कूल के शिक्षकों और कर्मचारियों ने छात्रों को शिक्षा और सिलेबस से बांधे रखा। वुडबाइन स्कूल दरभंगा में टॉप 10 स्कूल में शामिल है। देखिए, इसके बाद निर्णय लीजिए। वुडबाइन स्कूल में क्या सुविधा है और व्यवस्था है और मैनेजमेंट। सोचे समझे इसकी उपलब्धि को। देखें एक रिपोर्ट। इस खबर को जनहित में अधिक से अधिक शेयर करें ताकि दरभंगा और दरभंगा के बाहर रहने वाले लोगों को सही जानकारी हासिल हो सके।
The school was established in 1992 by Dr. Sayyid Mubarak Nawab, and he was a well-known surgeon of Asia fame. 1992. The main aim of establishing the school was to provide quality education to the children of Darbhanga and its suburbs. When the school was established, the teachers were very few, only 5 in number, and the students were only about 25. Teachers, at the present time we have about 79 teachers, and non-teaching staff are 32 in number, and the office in charges they are 6 in number. Most of the teachers are B.Ed and D.El.Ed, and we make the selection and the appointment of teachers on the basis of their qualification and the demonstration class we see of each teacher, and then we make the selection of the teachers. First we take the registration of the child, then we call them for the entrance test, and according to the ability of the student we make the selection of the student in the respective class. In 2022 we have the same procedure. We take the selection, we choose the students on the basis of their ability, and we take the admission after the entrance test of the students. Before the lockdown, I had a desire of opening a girls section, a separate girls section, and still I have the same desire, and my aim is to open a separate girls section in Darbhanga. Teaching was a very difficult task for the teachers and also for the students, because there is a lot of difference between online classes and offline classes. The students do not come into direct physical contact with the students, and that is why there was a lot of hardship in getting the connectivity and following the online classes during the pandemic time. In metric, the result is always 100%, and in class 12 the highest percentage went to 89 passing percentage. In future also I would like to take my school to greater heights and improve more the quality of education, and work, labor more harder than what I have done and achieved in the previous years. And I hope and I wish that all the parents and the supporters of Woodbine Modern School, they keep supporting me in the same manner as they have done in all these previous years. ये तमन्ना तो, this desire was always burning in my heart to take the school to greater and greater height, and still this desire still burns in my heart, and I will give all my best and my level best to the students and to the children of Woodbine Modern School and to the children of Darbhanga, and I will give them all the affection and the care and the quality education, and support my students and my teachers to take the children to greater and greater height. Times we have used the digital smart classes in all the classes, and we provide education through smart classes. First of all, to carry on the online education, I called all my teachers and gave them the training of how to handle the online classes, and all the teachers were trained in such a manner so that the education of the children and the learning process of the children may not hamper during the COVID-19 period. इसके अलावा भी हम लोग बहुत फैसिलिटीज़ दिए हुए हैं, जैसे जो बहुत दूर दूर के बच्चे हैं उनको हम लोग बस प्रोवाइड करते हैं. We provide bus to them to come to school, and for the yoga classes we have a big yoga hall in which the students they do yoga once a week in every section, and we have an English lab, language lab, and this is has proved very beneficial for the students because this has improved their listening and the communicative skill of the students, and they are very much interested to go into the English lab and to do English communicative classes. And besides this, we have a music room, a big music room, in which we have different instruments like harmonium, tabla, guitar, synthesizer, and our music teachers, they give they take good classes of music. And besides this, we have different labs in our school like physics lab, chemistry lab, biology lab. We have 3 computer labs. One big computer lab is for the senior children, and the 2 other computer labs is for the junior children. We have a big library, and in this library we have about 12,165 books. And then we have a big library, and then in every class there is a smart class, and the children, they pick up more effectively. The education becomes more effective by audio and visual process, and for this reason we have smart classes in every class. And one interesting thing that we have introduced from the last 5 years is needlework only for the girls for classes 6, 7 and 8. And in this we have a separate needlework room in which the teacher, she teaches different types of embroidery, cutting, and different stitching like small frocks, a purse, a mobile holder, and these kind of things the teacher teaches to the students, only to the girl students of class 6 to 8. We have a lot of extracurricular activities in our school, like we have debate, group discussion, speech contests, we have dancing, singing, and drama, and yoga. I have already told you that yoga classes they are also on, and we have morning drill for small children. We have painting, craft making, needlework that I have just told you, story writing and creative writing. So these type of extracurricular activities are very, very important for the holistic development of the child, and for this and to carry on such activities in the school is very beneficial for the personality development of the children. And besides academics, these things are also very, very important for the development of the child mentally, physically and emotionally. Yeah, we give scholarship awards every year to the students for their outstanding performance, and in this regard we have made 3 categories. One category is from class UKG, the second category is for classes 1 to 5, and the third category is for classes 6 to 11. In all the 3 categories, we choose one girl and one boy with the highest percentage, and we give scholarship awards in the name of Dr. Sayyid Mubarak Nawab, his wife Akhtarun Nisa Begum, and my parents Samarara Begum and Muhammad Sadiq Ali Khan. And recently, because Dr. Sayyid Muhammad Nawab has passed away recently, so in his name also we have added a new award, and in this award we give free education for 1 year to all the students, one boy and one girl from each category. We give them the course books, we give them exercise copies, we give them a school bag, we give them a lunch box and the stationery, and all the entire year, for the whole year, the education is free, and this is given to the students who have scored the highest percentage in each category, one boy and one girl. And for this year we are going to organize the scholarship award ceremony on the 5th of April, and we are going to give the awards to the students who have scored the highest percentage in each category. The entire members of the Woodbine family, I would like to give the message, and I would like to convey to all the people of Darbhanga that I make the commitment that I provide quality education to the children, and I want the support of all the parents and the teachers, so that they can come to our school and judge us, and so that they can judge the quality of the education that we are giving. And this is my message to all the people of Darbhanga. And this program of Mithila Manch was very beneficial and useful, and it was highly appreciable by me, and I congratulate and I give my blessings to the Mithila Manch. May God bless us all.